Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn profile in a second language. This is incredibly useful if you're working in international markets or want to reach a broader professional audience. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step. After you've logged in successfully, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and name displayed there. Click directly on your profile to open it. This will take you to your full profile page where you can view and edit all your information. Now that you're on your profile, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll notice a section labeled Profile Language. This is where LinkedIn allows you to manage the different language versions of your profile, making it accessible to people from various regions. Next to the Profile Language section, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click on this icon to open the editing options. This pencil icon is your gateway to adding and managing multiple language profiles on LinkedIn. Once the editing menu appears, look for the option that says Add Language and click on it. This will open a new window where you can set up an entirely new profile in a different language, allowing you to customize how you present yourself to different audiences. In this new window, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and scroll through the available options to select the language you want for your new profile. LinkedIn supports a wide range of languages, so you should be able to find the one that suits your needs. Below the language selection, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Make Primary Language. If you want this new language profile to be the default one that people see when they visit your page, go ahead and check this box. Otherwise, leave it unchecked if you prefer to keep your original language as the primary one. Now it's time to personalize your new language profile. You'll see fields where you can input a first name, last name, and headline. Fill these out in the language you selected. Your headline should clearly describe your professional identity or what you do, as this is one of the first things people notice on your profile. Once you've entered all the required information and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the Save button. LinkedIn will process your changes and add this new language version to your profile. This may take a moment, so be patient while the system updates. And that's it. You've successfully created a LinkedIn profile in a second language, expanding your reach and making it easier for international connections to find and understand your professional background. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.